Dozens of towns in Italy have been selling abundant dwellings for this long, sparking a new kind of gold rush as enthusiasts from all over the world try to serve a bargain in beautiful, remote villages. The deal is seen as a win-win, with dying communities getting an influx of new life and investment at dilapidated properties springing back to life and, more importantly, start contributing revenue. But there could still be losers. Now families are the original owner of the abandoned homes are starting to come forward to take the claim of these old stone structures, saying that they sold in contract be to be made aware of the sale. Among those now debating the potential sale of their family homes since Jewish Pansy of Nigeria, Falls, Canada. Pansy grandmother Consuelo Spatzley migrated to Canada in the 1950s, leaving behind a cute little stone house in the original center of Castelpagno in Italy's southern Molise region that the family has visited regularly over intervening years. After reading about Castelpagno plan to offend its old house in stock, Fantasy began worrying about the property grabs and has spent months trying from after the resort her climb to the home her nonna left decades ago. And she's not only one. Website desperate by local authorities to contact the families of the original owners. Others says they also fear losing their ancestral homes as they struggle to assert their claim because of distance, time and legal complications. Angry and frustrated, I did hear of the plans of selling and reached out in August. Fantasy Tales Travel. Then I saw the article saying the mayor had sent notification about but no one in my family was notified of this. Fantasy says he sent multiple emails and a registered letter to Nicola Spalletti, the mayor of the Castle Pingarno, who shares the same surname as their grandmother but has received no reply. Nothing, she says. I am also angry and frustrated. I would like to see the town flourish and help be a part of this, but please do not steal our home for us. Francini says this finally got a reply from the mayor after an agonizing 8-month wait, but says Scarlett told her she needed to provide to deed for ownership and information to verify to claim. Her call provided Ricky asked by to comment for Francini claim. Facility points out of that over the years, the homes could have passed the new owners outside the family or to the other heir or distant relatives. Francini has consists back in Italy who she has never met. It's also now unknown for sales or transfer of ownership to be made informally in Italy, especially in rural locations to avoid taxes. Capility says Castelpagno is doing things differently compared with other places selling on Euro homes. The town has several thousand abandoned buildings, but the mayor says he wants to match interest rates with the right house for them. He says he's moving along to parallel paths, reaching out both to potential buying and old owners at the same time, step by step, and ensure demand meets supply. Once interest buying get in touch with a detailed plan of what kind of house they'd like and why. The mayor says that attempt to reach the original owners based on the land registry data, finish and his